KTVU's Brian Flores is live on the corner of Stockton and Sacramento with a call to action today. Good afternoon, Brian.
Hi, Tori. Good afternoon. You're right. This is a very dangerous intersection. In fact, during a press conference this morning, there were a couple of close calls of pedestrians almost getting hit by cars here. But the latest fatality happened less than 2 weeks ago, and now the family members of the victim, as well as Chinatown community leaders, say enough is enough.
Slow down! Slow down! For Chinatown! For Chinatown! Let's make it right! Let's make it right! Change the light! Change the light!
Chants, prayers, and a call for action rang loud on this corner of Sacramento and Stockton here in Chinatown. This is where community and family members, along with city leaders, urged transportation officials to make changes at this dangerous and deadly intersection. Again, the most recent tragedy happened on Saturday, September 20th. 78-year-old Pui Fong Yim, a grandmother of 8 and a former music teacher, was hit and killed by a driver who was turning left from Sacramento onto Stockton. This morning, Yim Lee's son spoke on the tragedy and why he wants his mother's death to be the last pedestrian accident at this intersection.
In my humble opinion, she's a saint. Although her beautiful voice was forever silent, her tragedy should remind us how dangerous this intersection is.
And just days after Yim Lee's death, another person was hit and injured at the same intersection. Community leaders here asked the head of the MTA to install what's called a pedestrian scramble light, which stops all car traffic in all directions for pedestrians. Those lights are installed at all intersections along Stockton, except this one here on Sacramento. The MTA says they are looking into that solution, as well as some short-term ones.
There are some things that we can do in the short term. We identify what the right long-term solution is. And if the right long-term solution is a scramble, we'll do everything we can to get it in place as fast as we possibly can.
Now, Ed Reskin also says they'll look at enhancing crosswalks here at this intersection. The goal now is to secure funding for a pedestrian scramble, but also look at how this will affect car traffic. Reskin says also all those short-term changes, though, should be taking place within the next 30 days. We're live here in San Francisco's Chinatown. Brian Flores, KTVU, Channel 2 News.
All right. Thank you, Brian.